Zombie apocalypse.
This is the Lozffn 198 piece toolkit. You can kind of read everything it's got. It's got a lot of stuff. It's a little everything. Comes in its own little case. This case. So we're gonna open this up. I got this for my son for his first house. Everybody needs tools. Pretty well. Got these little clips on the front here. Some things came out in transport. Well, these actually feel pretty nice. So you got Allen wrenches, you got sockets. Let's get put everything back where it was. Just took a while to get here. Not sure where this goes. Oh, right here. So you do have a socket here, looks like for spark plugs. Got an extension, tape measure, some screwdrivers. You got the screwdriver piece here that turns. It's got a little ratchet on there. You got the bigger screwdrivers, some smaller micro, kind of like watch kind of things, some clips, some screws and stuff to start with, some more clips, some wires clippers, wrench hammers, a whole bunch of drill bits, a whole bunch of sockets, nice little hot hacksaw here. I like this. A whole bunch of Allen wrenches, some tape. This has got a little everything. It's perfect. I think my son's gonna like it. I think you'd like it too. Should get it.